Hi, I want to make today jar fireworks in the jar.
Okay, what do you need for that?
We need water, jar, bowl, star, oil, food coloring, and tissue. Pour the water in the jar. I tried this one too heavy. Now let's put the oil in the bowl. Next, we'll put the color in the oil. Like this? Or like this?
Yeah.
However you want. What's happening in the oil?
The oil not mixing color.
But it's breaking?
Yeah.
Nice.
Let's put the oil into the jar.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay, leave it. Leave it on the side of the jar. Now look at the water. Don't do anything. You will see something coming down slowly.
Yeah, Daddy. Do you know it's a firework, Dada?
Where?
Here. Yes, mixed with oil, pink color, and water. It will make fireworks.
Ah, yeah, see?
Whoa.
Look down here.
Maybe they'll look.
Ah,
Dada,
looks nice.
Daddy, Dada.
Yes?
Maybe they'll look like going to the bottom, Dada.
Yeah. But see, on the top, a lot of fireworks.
Well, I thought something, Dada.
Yes?
I thought there was a big one coming, maybe.
Yes. Just watch.
Whoa, I eat a squiggly jellyfish. Yeah, me.